This dictation material has been obtained from official para 42. If it is proposed to impose a minor penalty, the authorized officer shall, after affording the accused an opportunity of personal hearing, pass orders accordingly. Full stop. If, however, the authorized office considers it to be a case of major penalty, he shall, after affording the accused an opportunity to offer his explanation against his recommendations for imposition of major penalty, forward the case to the authority along with the explanation of the accused and his own recommendations regarding the penalty to be imposed. Full stop. Provided that in case of joking inquiry, if the authorized officer reaches the conclusion to impose minor penalties, one or more of the accused and recommends imposition of major penalties in respect of the others accused, he shall send the whole case to the authority for taking a final decision. Full stop. If under sub rule the authorized officer considers that an inquiry is necessary, he shall appoint an inquiry officer or the inquiry committee consisting of two or one of whom shall be of a rank senior to that of the accused, or if there are more than one accused, senior to all the accused. Full stop. Where an inquiry officer or an inquiry committee is appointed under sub rule 5, the authorized office shall simultaneously frame a charge and communicate it to be accused together within a statement of allegations explaining the charge and other relevant circumstances which are proposed to be taken into consideration, and require the accused within a reasonable time, which shall not be less than the 7 days or more than 14 days from the day the charge has been communicated to him, to put in a written defense directly before the inquiry committee or the inquiry officer, as the case may be. Full stop. The authorized officer immediately after communicating the charge to the accused under sub rule 6 shall forward such record or copies thereof and such other material as is necessary of the conduct of the inquiry to the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be. Full stop. On receipt, the record and explanation of the accused referred to in the preceding rule, the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, shall inquire into the charge and may examine such oral or documentary. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore.